Hello children, today we will start exercise 6.5. So before starting this exercise, we will see the last property of this chapter, that is right angle triangles and Pythagoras property. So before starting this Pythagoras property, firstly let's see what is right angle triangle. So in any triangle, if one angle is given 90 degree, okay, suppose this angle is 90 degree, okay, so this triangle is called right angle triangle. From these three angles, any one angle should be 90 degree. Okay, it is not compulsory that always 90 degree will be here only. Maybe it will be like this only. Okay, this is 90 degree. Sometime it will be like this only. It is 90 degree. Sometime like this only. It is 90 degree. Okay, so if any angle will be 90 degree, it's called right angle triangle. Now this 90 degree angles opposite sides, okay, so this side AC, always this side is called hypotenuse, okay, the name of this side is hypotenuse and the rest of the sides are called legs, okay, legs, or sometime it is perpendicular and it is base. Sometime we can say it is perpendicular and this is base because the angle here 90 degree. So in this right angle triangle, this side is hypotenuse, rest of the sides are legs. So according to the Pythagoras property, sometimes we are saying Pythagoras property and sometimes it is Pythagoras theorem. Both are same only. So according to Pythagoras theorem, AC square equal to side AB square plus side BC square. It means hypotenuse square is always equal to the base square plus perpendicular square. Please always remember it, beta. This is Pythagoras theorem. Means hypotenuse square is equal to the sum of the square of base and perpendicular. Okay. Now according to this Pythagoras theorem, we will solve the exercise. Now see the first question of this exercise. The question is PQR is a triangle right angled at P. So you have to draw firstly beta triangle. The name of the triangle is PQR and where 90 degree is given, that is only P. If this is P, obviously one is Q and one is R. So this is your triangle PQR. Obviously this side is hypotenuse and these are the legs. Okay, here is given PQ 10 centimeter. So this PQ is given 10 centimeter and PR is given 24 centimeter and we have to find QR. What is the length of QR? Now this is right angle triangle, that's why we will put this property, Pythagoras property. So according to Pythagoras property, we will write hypotenuse square equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Hypotenuse is here QR. So QR square equal to base is PR, PR square plus perpendicular is QP. So QP square. Now QR we have to find. So QR we have to write QR only beta. And PR is given 24. So 24 centimeters square plus QP is given 10 centimeters, so 10 centimeters square. Now, QR square remains same only. We have to find the square of 24 centimeter. It means 24 centimeter multiplied by 24 centimeter. So 24 into 24 become 576 and 70 centimeter becomes 70 centimeter square plus 10 centimeter square means 10 into 10 it become 100. Centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. Now QR square equal to the both are in centimeter square, so we can add 576 and 100 become 676 centimeter square. Now QR square. Here QR square, so this number we have to write in whole square. So we have to find the 676 is the square of which number. For this beta, we have to find the prime factors of 676. So by 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16. Then 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, it become 18, 2 nines are 18. Then 169 is only divisible by prime number 13. So 13 ones are 13, it become 39. 13 threes are 39. Again 13 ones are 13. So 2 and 2 and 13 and 13 are in square. So how to write this number? 2 into 2 into 13 into 13. These are the prime factors of this number and centimeter square. So QR square equal to 2 times. So 2 into 13 is 2 times 13 and centimeter is 2 times centimeter whole square we have to write. It means it is 2 square also, 13 square also, centimeter square also. So finally what we are getting? QR square equal to 2 into 13, 26 centimeter whole square. Now square you can cut. What is left? QR equal to 26 centimeter. It means the length of this side QR is 26 centimeter. And one thing always you have to remember, beta, in right angle triangle hypotenuse always you will get more than these legs. If these legs are given like this 10 and 24, this side will be always more than this sides. Okay, that's why we are getting 26 centimeter.